Hello viewers, this is your own financial planner Amit Kachelia. Today I am taking a very interesting video why our mutual fund scheme performance may always remain muted due to active management strategy either on the part of the financial planner or advisor or on the part of any investor or client. Let's understand it. This I'm taking a very simplistic example just to clear the idea and concept, because in real life there are multiple fund flow managements of each and every family in each and every case. But just to have an apple to apple comparison and understand the things, the part of the limitations of a cumulative effect and a non-cumulative effect, I am making this example. Okay. Now, we are taking this now under post-pandemic scenario, because while I'm making this, it's August 2020. The active management will have a very strong role to play, which is what we are doing in all our offices in Nashik, Thane and Pune, hoping to start other branches. Now let's understand this active management, how it will affect your performance on a muted side. Okay. Now, we are taking three schemes A, B and C with a base capital of 600 equally divided, and 3 years are lapsed now. So, in 3 years, your scheme A has become from 200 to 250, scheme B 200 to 300, 200 to 350, scheme C. So, its absolute returns are 25%, 50%, 75%. Its weighted average, considering 600, it's this much. Okay, fine. So, your total absolute returns of total ABC cumulative is 50%, obviously 600 becoming 900. CAGR is scheme wise 7.72%, 14.4%, 20.51%. So CAGR is 14.23%. The weighted average, okay, spelling mistake. So the weighted average is 3 years. Now the main part. See, now in real life, even our own internal softwares and of course softwares available in the market, we follow this strategy, the non-cumulative strategy. Now, what does that mean? Let's say we sold this scheme B. Obviously, we'll be getting in our bank account 300 rupees, and this 300, see, we are investing in now scheme D. So, obviously, the starting point of scheme D is 300. So, now 300 growing to become 350. Now, this is first 3 years. Now, another 2 years are lapsed. So, obviously, scheme A 200 has become 250 in 3 years, and then 250 becoming 325. So cumulatively 200 has become 325 in 3 plus 2 5 years. Scheme C 3 plus 2 5 years. But now scheme D, it's independent 2 years, and accordingly the absolute returns average is coming out to 53.57, and its CAGR, as I said, we have actively managed, we have reshuffled the scheme. And if you keep on doing this, the performance will remain more and more muted. Now that you will come to know with another of my example. So my absolute return is 53.57 and 10.60. Keep this noted. My weighted average period of holding is now 3.71. Now actually it's 3 plus 2. Na? So 5 years the person has invested in or is in the market for 5 years, but its weighted average based on capital will come out to 3.71 only. Right? Because scheme D, the new performance is calculated. It's 2. Now, let's say if I'm able to, which is of course not possible, keep this in mind. So you need to make people understand this, that why performance will remain muted in active management. So this is what we do. Okay. Now let's say if I'm able to track the fund flow of each and every client. Okay. Let's assume it that way. So which means scheme B I started with 200 becoming 300. I'm just changing the name of the medicine or the scheme. Na? So ultimately this same 200 is getting invested. So I'm keeping 200 as still constant. So my base capital is still 600 only. Okay, it's not 700 now. It's 600 only. So 200 becoming 300, and then it is becoming 350. See in software model, what we all follow actually, 700 is becoming 1075. Now under this method, if I am able to keep a track of the fund flow of each and every client, which is, I am repeating myself, not possible, but my performance will look much better. My 600 is becoming 1075. Now you see, 5 years. So now what's happening? It's a cumulative. 3 years of B and 2 years of D. I'm showing it as cumulative. It's possible for me because I tracked it, the data, the fund flow. See now the rate of return. The CAGR is coming out to, see this was same, 5 years, na? 10.2, 10.2, it is same. But now if you calculate the average, weighted average, it's far better. So obviously psychologically, this is what we are showing to our clients. Oh, now what happens is they compare, oh, my friend's CAGR is better. Okay, but now let's understand, case to case is different. We are actively managing, so obviously my performance will remain muted in terms of my CAGR also, in terms of my weighted average holding period also. If I try to cumulate it as a cumulative effect by tracing the fund flow, then my CAGR and it's so astonishing. So performance gap which is remaining muted is 25.60% difference of this and 1.70% difference of this and this. So we need to make people aware that active management will always show muted performance in terms of returns and in terms of your period of holding, because there's a human tendency, it's a human psychology that even if we have booked profits 4 times, it doesn't get registered in the mind of the person. And if we have booked a loss or the person has suffered a loss, that gets impressed or registered for a long-term basis. So through this method, through this video, make them explain that every time under this method, your capital is getting added. Of course, this is a simplistic example because there may be some fresh addition also. But okay, through this video, at least they will get a more clear picture, okay, that under fund flow method, which is next to impossible because immediately the client may not give me money. He may give me the same money, let's say after 3 months, maybe his plant had changed or something. So we follow this method. And also another limitation under this method, although the performance is looking very good, but I'm not able to judge whether the performance of D is good or not because it's a cumulative from B to D. Okay, so this method is the best method which we all follow, but that results in muted performance that needs to be communicated to everybody using this video. So do share, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and do follow me and do give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you so much.